Got a karaoke party you want to host? Or just looking to replace your existing microphones? Check out this wireless dual mic system from Archeer. This is a really simple kit that includes 2 battery-powered handheld stick mics. They work on 2 different RF frequencies to avoid interference. The stick mics have metal bodies and are color-coded on the bottom for easy identification. The windscreen is also metal and has flattened edges so they don't roll when you put them down. Audio connection is made with a 1/4-inch plug, and you'll need a guitar amp or other power speaker for this to work. The microphones are locked down to their own frequencies so you can see them on the display. One thing that would have been nice to see is the VU meters move on this Archeer mic system when speaking to the microphones, but these just stay the same no matter what the levels are set to. And when you're ready for the big night, just add some LED strip lights and you've got yourself a cool karaoke party at home. Because this is a 2-microphone system, you can do solos or duets easily. And you probably already know this, but there are a ton of karaoke videos on YouTube you can sing to. For a better experience, just connect your TV to your stereo for high-quality music while singing karaoke. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to start your own karaoke party. And please give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Cube, for more how-to videos and product reviews.